In the realm of critical applications, reliability is paramount. Whether ensuring downhole drilling systems remain operational or supporting mission-critical defense applications like missile systems and avionics, ITT Canon's 200 and 230 degrees Celsius high-temperature micro MDM solutions deliver optimal performance when it matters most. Derived from MIL-DTL 83513 specifications, these rugged connectors withstand extreme temperatures and conditions, from outer space to miles beneath the Earth's surface. Supporting current ratings up to 3 amps and 500 mating cycles, they offer various configurations, including standard or low-profile stranded wire, solid wire, solder pot, and board mount PCB.